We were meant to be going out camping this weekend. We're all booked up, but that hasn't happened because of the rain, so we decided to do something else. We decided we're going to buy just a 3D printer. We had it run last night. I made a Pokemon planner box thing. Had a couple of failures this morning. That's what I'm reprinting now. They didn't stick to the bed and they came up. But I figured this week you can just see some time lapses. I'm running this on 200 at the moment. It seems to be printing alright. I had these, a couple of them run a bit slower and they didn't quite stick to the bed, but all we're doing is putting a bit of glue on the bed, run the print. Seems to work alright. Everything else has gone alright. It's just this morning I don't think I had enough glue. So we've got our bed temperature 60 degrees Celsius. The printer head's 200. Oh, there you go, look. There's all the stuff. So, it's actually pretty good, this printer. You can, adjust your things as you go on. So if it's looking a little bit quick, you can slow it up. I sped it up. I started on 100. Now I'm on 200. But it's doing its thing and it seems to be, printing pretty good. Alright, let's see how this one. Unplug you from the PowerPoint. There you go, that was 5 hours 45 minutes. So there'll be a little Anderson will slip in there and bolt through. It's not quite the nicest finished, but that was our second sort of print. Second print, third print. This was our third print. So this was our second print. Our first one's not here. This is just a little Pokemon planner box that someone gave me the idea for, so I found a design. There, little Anderson mounts as well. Which way are they? That way. So your Anderson will be in there and then it'll all be protected. I was cutting pretty quick, or printing pretty quick. I was on 200 where I think this little guy printed on 100 and he's a far better finish. So I could probably slow it right down and do it again. Let it cut overnight. But they come out alright. There's a little bit inside here where it wasn't supported. They're not quite stuck, especially at the front. The front they're pretty saggy. But hey, I'm sure I can figure this out. I mean, how hard can it be? I'm gonna go find some more designs, but So it's finished printing. That took, how long did that take? Where's our screen? 6 hours and 12 minutes. So then you just pick it off. It did lift a little bit under here. Off it comes, and then this will pull off the raft. Oh, maybe it will, maybe it won't. Camera's pretty flat, so I'm trying to do it one-handed. Alright, here we go. Let's get this done. There you go. Got his flexy little ears. Bit of movement. Straight off the printer, I'm sure it'll loosen up a bit. Yeah, so they're loosening up the more you play with it. So, that's kind of cool. It's just a preloaded program. 6 hours, filament came with it. Now I've got some offcut I can put into something. There you go, there'll probably be a few more videos, so subscribe if you liked it and subscribe if you didn't, and then you can just hate on my videos. I don't really care, just subscribe. We can hang out, hate each other together.